Yo, what is up? Alright, so we're back to normal streaming. It's a little earlier today, but that's chill. I have some music queued up, and everything should be pretty good. Everything should be pretty good. I also changed my audio settings a little bit, so my voice should be a lot louder than it was last time. I don't know if it's facts or not, so hopefully it just is better. Yeah, what's up, Phoenix? We stream at a reasonable time today, an hour earlier. Something that you can actually be awake for. No, you're good, Phoenix. I kind of assumed so. I remember everyone was saying that school's starting like in a week or two or whatever. So you're good. How's school been though? 10:30 p.m. still, dang. How are you 14 hours ahead? It's not even 12. It's 14. It sucks. Alright, I'm gonna stream that we're live. Why? I hate that WolfG changed his name to programmer because now whenever I do @gamer, it does @WolfG. Alright, there we go. Alright, so I have a couple things I can work on now too, so this is good. School's been good. You're in your second week. Love the holidays more. Yeah, I guess that's fair. Holidays are super nice. Dude, my nose is so stuffed today, dude. So stuffed. Oh. Hopefully, what's up, Mike? Hopefully, school continues to be good though, because I know it sometimes gets better and worse. It goes up and down. Lower the background music. Let you lower the background music. Oh, okay, okay. You have volume. What's up, Swords? I have a list of stuff to do today. We have a good list. There's a little bit more to this list, but this is what we have right now. We're gonna work on a play yard, so animals can play games with whoever is in there, and then they can get their affection up a little bit. We're gonna add food bowls to the kennels so that you can refill their food. Training rooms. Oh, we could also do different types of food that you can purchase to give the animals. Maybe that would actually be pretty cool, because then different animals require different things, so we can give them different food types. Showcase kennels. These will be kennels where customers slash people that walk in they're just gonna be able they'd rather get them from here because the kennels will look cooler, so they're gonna want to get animals from here. There's gonna be a terrain generation. I want to make this look a lot better, and then customizing shops. Category shop. The shop at the bottom and category stuff. Although I don't have a lot of stuff yet, so I don't know. And then animal accessories is another thing that's on the list, but that's like a later thing, not a thing right now. You will never do terrain gen. Oh, you've never done terrain gen. I've done terrain gen in Unity before, but not much. Who will do the models though? My girlfriend will be doing models. She's been really busy though, so she hasn't done any yet. She's also learning Blender, so she's like, you gotta get that learning curve still. But if she ever decides not to do it, I will let one of you guys. I know somebody else wanted to, so we'll see how that goes, and then obviously you guys get percentage of whatever the game makes and whatever like that. So, but that'll be discussed later if that ever happens. Also, if you could tell that I'm stuffy, I'm very stuffy right now for some reason. Let me try to do something to stop that. It's like you have worlds as saves, like Minecraft. That's for the terrain you're talking about. That seems interesting. Okay, so last time I was working on the animals. So they moved randomly over time, but I should make it so that way so if an animal's in the world animals, then they'll. No, wait, no. If it's not equal to. So if animal's not in the world animals, they're going to move to random position. Or they're not going to move. So if I'm holding it in my backpack or whatever, Do this. We do this. You see, dog was caught. Now we have the dog. Now he shouldn't move because before he moved to the. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. We'll fix that in a second. If animal, if not animal.parent.name is equal to world animals. So if you're not in world animals, then return. That didn't work for some reason. When will you work on your Discord server? I worked on it a bit already. I mean, I feel like I added quite a bit of organization things and a lot of cool stuff. What do you want in there? Not like fully? Yeah, but it looks pretty good. I mean, you think, I mean, what do you want to add into the Discord that'll make it more entertaining? Because I feel like the only reason a Discord will be more entertaining is just because people decide to talk more in there or like have questions and like help each other and stuff like that. Should it be sunk in the ground because Y size is 1 before when it moves it becomes 0.5 Y size? So right now it sinks into the ground because it goes straight to the pathing position. Every animal's gonna have a height offset for the pathing that I can do. I'm just not doing it yet because I'm lazy. So I'm gonna do that in a minute. I'm just gonna focus on this right now. Basically, I just want to get a bunch of things working before I start fixing them, like fine-tuning. Enable community and add a few good bots and auto roll or onboarding. I mean, I could do that too. The only thing is then it forces people to require email for Discord, and I'm not sure if everyone has their email verified accounts. So I'd rather not. I can't activate a community without activating email verification only type of thing. That's the only issue with that. And I'd rather people just be able to join than people not be able to join. And have a good, like, a higher functioning server type of thing. I don't know. So I've like thought about it. So this is like the best my server's gonna get right now. I don't think people will raid the server just yet. Once the community gets a little bigger and like a little harder to handle, I'll do that. But right now it's like we got 2 people messaging that are like, "Hey, what's up?" And I'm like, "Oh, okay, that's cool." But if once I enable community, at that point it's gonna be like I need to have like a mod or something, or a couple mods. That way it's like not weird. All right, so move animal to random position, and also why would you set all messages as default notification settings? Is that default? How do I change that from default? Server settings. Uh, community settings. Community settings. No, I don't think I can change that. Can I? Default notice. Oh, at only messages. Okay. I guess you can change that. If I left it all messages, I would have like 25 things when I come back. It's a server setting. Well, you could change that personally as well. It's just a default. So I didn't know you could even change that, to be honest. I have mine on all. I genuinely did not know you could change that. That's good. Thank you for letting me know. All right, it's changed though. It's changed. Alright. That fixes a lot of issues. Well, I think you have to still change it if you're already in the Discord, so it's just default for everyone else that joins, I think. Alright, we should be good then. Animal.parent.name is world animals. It's not working for some reason. Let's do parent animal.parent.name. We'll do that real quick, and then let's get rid of all these extra prints because I don't really need them anymore. Okay. Catch the animal. Like a dog. Print x.name. World animals. So the parent is world animals. Like what the freak. Okay, so it printed out world animals. And it said, hey, we're part of world animals. And then it decided to continue moving to the position. Hello? Oh, wait, what? Because technically it's in, oh, it's not in held animal yet. Never mind. Okay. So we play it. We capture the dog. We got the dog. So the dog should not be in, it should be in held animal. And then it still did the thing, though. Okay, weird. Oh, it's on the server side. Oh, I forgot about that. Okay, so if world animals, I should really figure that out a little better. Well, world animals for the server will be a folder of just all the animals in the game, I think. And then we'll have like different locations for them and player holding positions and whatever. That'll be fine. Okay, so where is that again? I think it's right here, actually. I'm right here. Okay, so if I check if the animal get attribute player holding, or we could just do get attribute for location. Location. If it's not equal to 1, then we can return. Jasser, what's up? I don't know if you remember me talking about this Horde Arena game, but we ended up hiring a whole team. Dang. I do remember you talking about it. I think it was just 2 people working there before, right? You have a whole team now? That sounds pretty sick. We have a lot of progress. You hired 4 people? That's insane. That's actually a whole team. So you have 6 people now then? Still working on it? Or are you 2 just not like working directly anymore on it? Okay. Get attribute locations not equal to 1, then return. This will be not directly. I do like talk as to what we want. Okay. You're just like the project manager at this point then. Hey, you can put that in your resume though. You're project manager. Because technically is experience for project management. It's funny. You should. Okay, so let's do inside of the server. Oh wait, there's the server function, right? That was set where exactly? I forgot. Initialize server? Maybe. Maybe. On server evoke can catch animal. Okay. So this one set attribute to holding. Animals set attribute. This one will be for location. And when the player is holding the animal, that'll be location 2, I guess. I could probably just make a guide for myself later, but it's fine. I think I'll remember stuff for now. There probably also won't be too many. It'll be like a minor amount of numbers. Alright, I think I have somewhere to do it actually. Animal scripts, held animal based info. Let's do it here. Location animal info dot location equal to 1 comma Is it this? One is equal to world animals. How did I forget to do a dictionary? Okay. Lua dictionary. Wait, it's right here. Set it right here. What are you doing? One is equal to world animals. Okay. Two is equal to player holding. Okay, there we go. That should be good. So if animal dot or animals get attribute is equal to no. Get attribute of location, and then if that's it's gonna have to be greater than like 2 for now. Or no. It's not equal to 1. It's gotta be not equal to 2. I think I'll just do the nots, probably. Or we could just do another one that says these ones are not grabbable. Can't ungrabbable locations. And then we could do it in server. Local animal info is equal to require game dot replicate game dot starter player dot animal scripts dot animal base info. Then we could do copy this. For underscore x in I could do I in animal info dot ungrabbable locations. I'll put an N in there because I misspelled that. Dude, I feel like I always misspell everything. The worst thing ever. For your animals and animal for the numbers in location, if local animal current location current location is equal to this. If current location is equal to I, then return. That should be good. So now we will also print can't grab animal. So now we're checking if the player can grab the animal. It's a very light check. There's not a lot going on yet, so we're gonna just keep it simple. We'll probably have to do more later. Let me see. Where was I at? What was I even working on? I forgot. There's like something I wanted to get working. On mouse use. This is not it. Oh, the animal was moving. That's what it was. So, server animals, move animal. If animal get attribute location is equal to 1, then return. Okay. This should be good. Because now the animal's location should not be equal to 1. Yeah, it's 2. Alright, perfect. It's not moving. That's all I needed. So now we have a technically animal we're holding, but I don't know if I want to add a visual for it being on my back or like being in my hands or something, or like on a small leash next to me. There's a lot of options. A lot of options. I'll leave it alone for now, but we're gonna have to do it in the future. You spent 2 weeks straight watching tutorials on Lua just to not understand anything I'm doing. I just don't understand what you're doing. I have a pretty. The way I learned Lua was pretty quick, to be honest, but I also knew a different programming language, so it kind of helps. Um, but I have a thing on my Discord that if you follow, you should understand what's going on most of the time. Although most of the time, I'm just like searching up things that I need to figure out, like I don't know how to get attribute or like even know what an attribute is. So I'll be like, what the hell's an attribute or something. And then also people in Discord will just help a lot. So I'll be like, hey, this thing exists, you know. I'm like, I don't know, what is the thing? And so like, there's just a bunch of stuff that is just constant. Like, I find out in the moment stuff. So I don't know. It definitely, if I was watching myself a while ago, I'd be like, what the hell am I doing? This is kind of crazy. But it's also not exactly fair because I already knew a couple languages before this. So it's like cheating in terms of if someone that just started learning how to program started next to me, they would not know what's going on, and then, you know, it's. And I hope you don't feel discouraged by it though, because that is that's the part I'm afraid that people will be like, bro, this is crazy. He learned this in 2 weeks or something stupid. But at this point, I've learned everything I learned in like 3.5 weeks, so it's not too bad. But again, I already knew languages, so that's my only concern. The scratch count? I don't exactly know what scratch is. Let me search up. Isn't scratch like the block coding? Like puzzle code? Yeah. Coding project. No advertising, blah blah blah. Oh, I didn't mean to play a game. Oh well. Yeah, the block coding. I did block coding once. I think it was like code.org or something. That's where I started learning. That's where I like learned how to program kind of. And I was like, bro, this is so fun. And I made a 2D like moving game where you had to like move between different bombs. It was just like a little picture. You had to dodge bombs and like you move a position every once in a while. But it was the best coded thing you could do on code.org because I don't think anyone else would have thought about that. Was I in school in like 7th grade? Dang, bro. I had to wait until like high school before we did anything cool like that. And that was in a computer class, or else I would have never done that. Either the US sucks or just my schools that I went to sucked. I'm not really sure right now. All right, all right. I actually made a whole hit detection system now that I think about it. What's up, you? I actually made a whole hit detection, which worked very well for how like unknowledgeable I was at programming. Kind of explain it. So the way I did hit detection back then was that technically there was like the squares for each individual thing. So like this was a picture of like a little bomb. And so I would have like a path where you'd have to go through. And I think it made it like falling eggs, so you have to catch with a basket. Oh, cool. That's actually pretty sick. Did you do well, I think Scratch might have been probably better to do that with. So code.org was very, very simple and weird. I don't really know exactly how I did it, but it was like genuinely like oversimplified. There was not much you could do in it. But I did a game where you're like this little square here. I guess I could probably do it near layer. So you're like this guy, and you had to move. Oop. And so you had to move. Dude, how do I? So you have to move between the bombs, and like if you touch the bomb, you die. But like the picture was not like it didn't work how I would want it to because technically a picture is just a position with a picture overlaid. All right, my bad. I had to sneeze. But basically, I had a picture, and a picture is really just a where's the bucket tool? Where the heck is that? Okay. I use like 3 different language thingies, so it's annoying. So I had this. The hitbox was only like 1 point. No, the good thing was that I figured out how to make it not 1 point. So basically, dude, I used like freaking 3 different Photoshop things now. So I lose all the keybind. Okay. But like the position was here for everything, right? So I decided like every red dot is one position of where the picture was. And so whenever these 2 points would collide on the exact same like position, that's when you'd be like, oh, I died. And so I had to come up with a way of how to make it so that everything has their box where the picture's at, and that's where it would collide at. So my thought process on it, which is probably the only way to do it on there, I'm not really sure, but probably, hopefully not. Hopefully it was because that means I did something cool, but whatever. Was that I got the picture size, and then I would create a boundary around that. So like, if the picture was like 10 by 10 pixels, I would have a 10 pixel circumference, basically. So anything that touches, so any point that goes into this 10 pixels thing, breaks. And then from there, since I had a point that was not directly on the picture box, I had the circle that I had to move down, so I just translated it down here. And I also made the square tinier, so like this was like more of a square rather than the whole thing being green. That was like the best way for me to do it. So then the circle, when you make it, got like pretty much it. But you also keep it kind of in the box, that way it's a little friendlier. So you do any point that is within the circle that is not the original picture, then you turn that into a detonation bomb. There was also the ones with the bombs instead, where if you do it with the bomb and then you do it with this one, it was kind of weird. I don't remember how I did this exactly, but I don't think I did. I think I just did like this. So that was like my hit detection system, which worked for that little simple game. Although it wasn't perfect. It definitely was not perfect. There was points where like you wouldn't die if you hit it, but it was also like friendly, like game friendly. So I was like, okay, it works. But basically, that's how I got into programming. Was making a little 2D thing. And I didn't make games until like now in my life. So 7 years later, 6 years later, I didn't really focus. I did some game development, but like I didn't really do that much. See, the only thing is, if I had someone that would facilitate that better, then I probably would be making games now. But school's lame, bro. School is so bad. They don't know. They don't do things properly. Alright, any case. So right now, the animal gets picked up, so that's good. I've got that going on. And it gets moved into the held player location. Although, this is the confusing part for me. You're 15 right now outside of school. I don't have much time for learning stuff I actually want to learn. Yeah, it's rough. It is rough. I always forgot why I didn't have much time in school, but it's also just like school is 8 hours of your day for the week, like every day basically. But yeah, I don't really know how much I learned in school. I tried learning C# when I was in school. I didn't really get too much done. Okay, that's good. I just got a message from my job. I'm gonna have to read that in a minute. My travel time to school and from school is 4 hours combined. Oh my gosh. Is that in a bus? That's gotta be in a bus, right? You're like in the boonies of like, not boonies, what is it? You're in the sticks of like the US. It's crazy. I know my friend went to North Carolina and then he had like a 2 hour travel time. It was bad. Like back and forth total. But like 4 hours is actually insane. At that point, you just need a laptop and then you just start programming. You start learning how to do anything you want. You can learn so much in 4 hours every day, though. That's crazy. And it's just wasted time. Or just have fun with it, too. I mean, I just wasted all my time in high school, to be fair, so. That is insane, though. Where was I at on my... Okay, so we're grabbing the animal. We're going to move on to the next task that I have, and that is going to be making a play yard where we can play with the animals. That's going to be a little bit more confusing for me. So let's start off with a simple part. And then from here, we're going to have to make a kind of a door and stuff like that. But I'm going to make it a little bigger because this is for like animals to run around and stuff. $40 by $40. That would be like a like almost half of the area, wouldn't it be? No, it's not. Okay. Oh, that's 40 by these, not 40. Yeah, okay. We're good. It's like half of a quarter. It's like an eighth of the whole terrain area that you have to build. Okay, let's see. So we got this. And then we're gonna need an area for being inside of it, maybe? I'm not sure. I guess I'll just change the color to green for now because it's gonna be grassy area. It's a good green. Okay, so we're gonna need this area to be green for the grass. We're gonna need kind of some bars on the outside. So, but we'll leave that alone for now. Or actually, we could do that. We do this. And then this would actually be just black. Let me rotate this. Control D. Rotate this way. Take this way. Well, really not. This would have to be two different ones, right? Actually, here, let's just scale it. And we could do one more. Okay. It's not lined up. There we go. Wait, what? Okay, this one's not lined up. That makes more sense. Okay, there we go. So now all of these need to be anchored. Home model anchor. And we anchor the floor. So now I've got the little area, and we're gonna have a door right here that would just probably open up on its own, and then Anywhere in this green area is like walkable area for the play yard. So I should turn. It's a navigation mesh, right? I'm gonna have to figure this one out a little bit better. Also, all these walls are gonna be like invisible, transparent type of thing, or have a different model of like rebar, like bars or something. I don't really know. I'll have to figure that one out. But these are not going to be just black walls, of course. We could do that for now. I forgot how to make the part a tagged with. Oh my gosh! Cancel. So my cat decided to turn off my computer. Luckily, I got it in time. It's this cat's kind of annoying. I'm not gonna lie. The issue is that I keep a melatonin bottle on top of my power button because he always presses the power button. You gotta stop. Is that there's a power button and he always presses it, like literally always presses it no matter what. So I put a melatonin bottle so that way it hides it so you can't just press on it. But now he just throws the melatonin bottle off and then presses it anyways because he's like stupid. So that's just what happened. And thankfully I caught it right on time and I canceled the power off sequence. Thankfully I didn't have to deal with that. The computer's still on and we're good. But it was really close. It was really close. Does my headphones off? No. Wait, I'm not getting any audio. Oh, we're good now. Okay, we're good. We're back to normal. You're trying to find someone for animation, but I don't understand the difference between of animating R6 or R15. I understand it's about how many body parts. I don't either. I think it depends on how many different joints you have is the difference. But I don't really know. Also, how much are you paying these people? How do you have 4 people at 15? That's kind of insane. All right. I have no idea, honestly. I have no idea about animations. You have to watch videos on it. I got rules in stream now? What rules? What? Spending about $100. The rest is from my friend that's 18. Oh, okay. What's up, Fake Red? I don't see any rules though. It's like a disclaimer. Oh, I think I did set up the rules. I don't remember. That was something I might have done a while ago on my own. I also lost the text on the top. Let me add that again. Working on what am I working on? Playard. Playard. Size is going to do later. Select font. We're gonna do Capriola, my favorite one. Okay. Shrink that down. Put it on the top, and we're good. Also, this is the worst day in this month so far. All food is expired. Dude, no way. Everything in your fridge is expired. I'm sorry to hear that, dude. I can't even think of any easy meals to cook that would require non-expirables. But I also I don't know what you have, to be fair. I'm sorry to hear that, Fake Red. You're too hungry at school, dude. That sucks. I hope the best of luck to you. Hope the best of luck to your stomach and your mental health for that one. That's gonna be rough. The play yard is. Oh my gosh! Of course it didn't get saved because my cat freaking screwed me over. All right, whatever. Let's do something smaller this time, maybe 30 by 30. Is that a good size? That's kind of small. Okay. 45 by 40 by 40, I think is good. You mean after school? Because it's not that bad. I just have to go to the grocery store. Okay. That sounds good. Is this like big enough? So are you in school right now, or you're like close to getting out? Because I thought usually when I start streaming, you're usually getting out of school. But I know it's not 9:30 yet. Use a dummy for size comparison. I will definitely try that out, Hopflexer. Thank you for recommending it. Yep, it's over. That's good. But yeah, okay, so you already dealt with all the having to be starving. I mean, at least it's over. That's good. What's up, Wolf G? What is it called again? Is there a regular? Wait, no, it's somewhere up here, isn't it? Avatar. Avatar setup. Not rig builder. R6. My avatar. That should be good enough, right? I mean, I also like use the camera to get like sizing from like actually being here. But, like being able to walk this much shouldn't be too bad. Shouldn't be too bad. All right, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Now, I do have to get a random position on here. So I could do that by setting up a thing that gets a random position on part, maybe. Starter player scripts, build shop item scripts, and shop items module. Let's do a function in here that shop items dot get position on. Now, how do I get position inside of it? Well, let's try something simple first. First thing I'm gonna do is just do a script here, so that way it's easier to test. Part is equal to script.parent. Now we're gonna do print parts.position. So the position is 212, 212, which is the point in the center, hopefully. And 2 and 2. Can I do that? Nope. 0, and this is going to be positive 2 and 2. All right, yeah, so it's a part in the center. 212. Now we do. I'm gonna color this red for now. If I can remember where that is, yeah. So 212, 212. The issue with is that center? That's centered, okay. And then how do we get a square out of that? Get distance out would be a certain x and a certain z. Yeah, I think so. So if you do part position, it would just be the parts like size by its size. No. Because just because we can go 212 up, or let's say like this is 40, right? So we can go 20 that way. I guess that's fine, right? If we go 20 this way, then we could still go 20 this way. So I guess 19 this way and this 19 this way. How am I doing? I'm vibing right now. I'm trying to figure out how to get this working. Oh, my nose is killing me, dude. Oh, you didn't realize that new beta features help show how many studs you move? Oh yeah, it's so nice. It's actually so nice. Yeah, I didn't realize that was even a beta feature. I started working like 2 weeks ago on stuff on Lua Roblox stuff. It was like 3 weeks ago, so it was like I had like 1 week of it not being there, and then in like the next week it was just there, and I'm like, oh, this is nice. I like this. What's up, Fire Palm? How's it going? How's it going? Okay, so it shouldn't be too hard. Get position on square, and then we'll pass through a part. It you turned it off because it annoyed when opening studio, but I might turn it back on. That's cool. I mean, you were used to not having it, so it makes sense to you know. There are commissions that pay from 200 USD to 10,000 USD. What the frick? All you saw was a little white line. Oh. Well, I like the little white lines though. It looks kind of cool. It's visually appealing for me. I guess this just gets the size divided by 2 from its center position. So the size for this is 40, 40. Get position on square. So do I have random in here? I don't have random in here. So if the position, your friend once got 30K offered, what? He didn't take it because it was a big job, I'm assuming. Yeah, local x is equal to part to x. Da, 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 da. See that. Everything totally worth it. Oh yeah, that sounds like definitely totally worth it. Bro, I would do everything for 30K. That's a lot of money. That is so much money. All right, local X, local Z. He had been working on a game for 2 months and it popped up, so I was confused. Another thing I like that was the script helper thing. I don't know what the script helper thing is. I don't think I paid attention to what that is exactly. All right. Oh, X max, and then we should do local X min is equal to part dot position dot X minus part dot size dot X divided by 2. Then this will be the same thing, but plus 2. And then we're gonna do the exact same thing for Z. If I had 30K, I would honestly use it to buy Rim's World. That's a good investment right there. It basically recommends stuff while you script if you like what it says. You can press tab and incorporate. Oh, okay. I've been using it then. Okay. No, Rimworld is definitely worth the $30 if you have 30K. Definitely worth it. I got to do a random. So local R is equal to random dot new. Return R dot int. Cat, stop being on my computer. R dot next number. I want next integer. How do I do that? Why do I only have one option? Hello? Dot new dot next number. No, I want. How do I get integer? How do I? Why is it not working? I did it somewhere else. It was the server animals and move animal to random position. No, I didn't even do a random position. Oh yeah, I did. Oh, it's the bracket. It's the thingies. Next integer. And then actually local position is equal to vector3 dot new, and then we're gonna have to do a bit of a thingy here. By the way, sometimes autofill behaves weirdly. I've learned. Well, actually, not I've learned. That's just kind of a normal thing. Wait, so you mean I will get at least $10, right? Question mark. Wait, if you have an active game, you will earn 30K, but Roblox take taxes 75% of that money. Oh, Game Pass tax and the Vex tax. That's a lot of stuff. For a candy bar, maybe. By the way, sometimes autofill behaves weirdly. What type of job do you have in real life? I am part-time web developer for a company that's contracting me right now. It's off and on as of recently, but it was very on before. And I'm trying to apply to new jobs right now, so that way I have a more consistent position at a company. This is gonna be our next integer. I guess next float. Can I do a float? Nah, that's whatever. Next integer. And then we're gonna do the minimum will be x min. The max will be x max. This will be the part dot position dot y. Or no, it's the size. Dot size dot y plus its position dot y, just in case. Part dot position dot y. 0's there, 0.5 is there, and the part size is 1. We're gonna stick to size. And then the R next integer will be Z min, Z max. And then we can return position. Perfect. What type of job do you have in real life? Gas station? Wait, what is gas station? By the way, sometimes autofill behaves weirdly. Gas station. You at a gas station? Have you been in Lithuania? I have not been in Lithuania. I've been to Belgium. What was the other? Madrid. Couple different states in the US. And Ecuador. And that's all I can remember. How much money do you make a month? Before I made about like a little. I was like 1,500 a month, but it was like I was just living with my brother and just renting so that I could work on stuff, like work on videos and stuff like that. And that was also my first job out of moving out, so it was pretty nice. I was also work from home, so I like didn't pay for gas, didn't pay for anything related to my car except for insurance. It was so nice. You have the perfect situation for game development. I am just barely not old enough to get a job. You're homeschooled, so you don't have to go to school every day. You work on the game a lot. Dude, that's kind of awesome that you are using the time efficiently. Wait, what? You make 30K ISK per month? What does that mean? Google it. You make 30K ISK per month. I'm Googling that. Money lending? What are you doing with money lending? Whatever. I don't even know what that means. Lithuania is the happiest country under the age of 30, greenest capital in Europe, and one of the biggest GDP per capita in Eastern Europe. That's pretty awesome. Too bad I wasn't born there, I guess. Too bad I was born in the US. That's unlucky. I wonder why that is. I mean, I don't really like have much information on Lithuania, but that sounds really cool though. Next time I'm born, I'll probably chip in for Lithuania if I could. 650 a month? Yeah, I was thinking about 650 a month. Or no, bi-weekly. That's what I was making. Ish. I make $0 a month, and I'm very impressive. I mean, you guys are not the same age as me. I don't think it's anything crazy. Dude, my cat is gonna piss me off, bro. My cat is pissing me off. He's in a spot where, like, if I decide to use my keyboard, he's gonna start playing with it. Alright, Oreo, get out of there. Get out. Come on. Get out. Alright, we're good now. It's $200 per month. That does not sound like a lot. Okay, this should be good though, right? So if I do serve animals, I might have to get the shop item info. Local shop items module, or shop items is equal to require game dot. Should I just put this in server storage at this point? I'm not even sure anymore. Okay, so shop items game dot starter players dot shop item starter player scripts dot shop items module. Okay, now in here we do your cat sits right in front of you so you can't see the TV. Do cats just know how to like be in your like away? It's just frustrating. Local function move on play yard. Oh, interesting. I didn't even think about that. They could feed them in the player too. Thank you, AI code. That really just gave me a couple of ideas. Your savings account app over 2,000. That's really good. You have 400 in savings. That's not bad. Good job. Good job. Dude, I keep getting messages. Wait, hold on. This is real. Oh my freak, dude! I just want to type on my phone properly without misspelling. Yeah, the cat is extremely annoying because she just uses the bathroom in your room specifically sometimes. And made throw away my pillow and best drawing is ever had. Does she just not like using the bathroom in a litter box or something? I'm confused. I don't know how much money you got, but I think it's still over 2,000. That's good. That's really good. Proud of you guys. My chat is very responsible with their money. It sounds like my microphone keeps cutting off. Oh, is that true? My cat. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. My mic seems fine. I don't know. Cat, leave me alone. Please. That sounds really frustrating, by the way. I'm sorry you deal with that. My cat sounds like bothersome. What's up, Bodo? How you doing, Bodo? I haven't seen you in a while. I think. I don't remember. Every time is a while because it's like 2 days past and like whatever. I say this every single time, I think. Okay, anyways, we're getting the position on the thing, so we're gonna do shop items that get position on square, and this will be for the part of ooh, I didn't even think about that. How do I get the part? I guess I just get the animal's parent because the animal will be inside of the thing. So animal will pass through that, and then this will be a part animal dot parent. How much did I pay in taxes? I have no idea. Your imaginary cat is so annoying as well. Keeps hiding and always can't find them. And he doesn't interact with any objects at home at all. If you have two cats, you would know what 3 a.m. sounds like. It's a war zone. Too young for taxes. I wish, but I also don't really deal with taxes that much, so I'm not like too worried about it. Here though, if let's just do this. Local location is equal to this. If location equals 1, then go here. If location is equal to 3, I guess, then we're gonna do move on play yard, and we can pass through animal, and then we could return anyways at the end. So now if it goes into here, we're gonna send them to move to play yard, and we'll call it a day. It's a little spaghetti, but it's okay. It's not that big of a deal. And this should be good. And then inside of animal info, we're gonna do location 3 is play yard. Play yard. And we'll do it down here too. You can't grab them from the play yard. You have to interact with the play yard to get them. As they go to play yard. Alright, alright, alright. Not bad, not bad. So now... Also, did I do this right? Hold on. The shop items module, if they get the part position plus the size, and then position minus the size. Okay, cool. This should be good. This should be good. So now, I also need to be able to interact with the play yard to set them into the play yard. So if I do another part in here, I guess I could just do this one. This one's already here. We'll do this. We'll make it transparent. And we'll resize it to the scale that I need. Can collide is false. Bring it to there, bring it to here. So you have to be inside the play yard to drop them off, and then this will be the interactable. What is how do I call that in everything? So replicated storage, buildables, baiting table. Interaction box. I think I just have to name an interaction box and it's good. Maybe. Maybe. Where's the name at? Maybe. Interaction box. Box. Alright. Let me catch my text. Or not text. What am I doing? Chat. I use solo dev, so I have to get good at scripting, building, and animating. Not to mention Blender and texturing, and also music and sound effects. I'm already good at most of it, except for scripting. Wait, really? That's actually so nice, dude. Tween service is so easy, I'm gonna be honest. You'll learn it in like 10 minutes. I'll be honest. By the way, Nixel, the reason I loop the tween because when I activate the tween, then the previous tween will stop. I'm a genius. Nice. So if you have two tweens going on, you just loop it. Maybe 20 minutes. Maybe 20 minutes. I think it's pretty quick. It's honestly not that hard. Tweening is pretty chill. I'm gonna be honest. I haven't had any issues with tweens, to be fair, so I don't really know. Okay, so if I do this and then I walk into wait, where's that? I guess let's anchor it. There we go. So walk into this, interaction should not be enabled for some reason. Okay. I don't remember exactly how I did that then. Bathing table is an animal container. This also needs an animal container. Folder. Rename animal container. This active wash index. Animal location. Animal location. No, that's fine. Part? What is this part for? Whatever. How much do you pay for your Wi-Fi a month? I don't know, like 40 bucks. Your best one is building. So most horror games and stuff. Are you talking about like building with lighting and everything? What's up, Tasty Toaster? How you doing? How you doing? I haven't seen you in forever. Alright, let's so interaction should be plausible. Oh, I think I have an interaction thing here. No, I don't. I have no idea what's going on then. You seen this hurricane? I have not. Work's been killing you. Wait, are you getting hit by the hurricane? Like bad? Because you're a lot more north than I am. I have not looked at the hurricane at all. I just know it's like in a bad location relative to Florida, wanting to not get hit from there. Yeah, bro, it's hitting us directly. Oh. I'm sorry for anything that you lose into storm effects. Are you in like an evacuation zone, or is it just like, is it gonna be a lot softer once it hits you? It might be Cat 4 when it hits us, I think. Oh my gosh, dude. That is gonna be rough. I'm sorry. Hopefully nothing bad happens. And you evacuate properly if you have to. I don't really know if I've never been in a situation where a hurricane's been threatening me, because every time the hurricane's like, oh, it's coming straight to West Palm, as you know, it's never hit us, really, so. Building maps, oh, and you forgot graphics card, graphics design? And don't get me started with the storyline and lore. We'll be adding a lot of lore in the game. It's finished and polished. Thank you, and good luck too. Thank you. I don't know if you're leaving or not, but it sounds like it. So I'll see you later if you do. Oh, the Hurricane Helen just barely missed us. Nice, that's good. I think it's barely missing me, but it's hitting Tasty Toaster directly, unfortunately. It's that's also my friend in real life, so it's like that's worrying. It's worrying if anyways, but like this is even more worrying because you know. Actually, I'm so excited if you finish programming wise. For my game, well, once I finish programming wise for my game, I'm gonna move on to just doing the rest of it as it goes on. So if my girlfriend doesn't finish anything, then I'll just have to start working on 3D models, or I'll just ask someone else to do it and help me with it. But I don't know if that's gonna happen. Oh wait, dude, Tuesday passed. Whatever. I was supposed to do something on Tuesday. It's too late now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Play yard, URL, price 50, asset. Oh, this one's gonna be a little weird. We'll do a 1 and we'll do 0 for now. After you finish this final horror game, I'm gonna move on to Unity for game development. Alright, that sounds good. Sounds like a good idea. Yo, Hoplexers, we gotta try your game out, actually. I wanna see it. I wanna see it for myself. Anyways, play yard, and then we'll leave it there for now. Name. Play yard over here. Now, I'm gonna move it into buildables because I think it has to be in buildables for it to be able to. Oh, frick! This needs a model. Dang it. Okay, player goes into the model player. This will be the area. This will be player. And the primary part will be area. And then inside of the server animals, this animal dot parent animal will be the model. The parent will be animal container. And then it'd be area dot parent. So double parent it. I mean, no, we have to do this. So we do this. So parent, and then that primary part. So the parent will be the folder first, and then we do parent again. Then the parent will be the play yard, and then we get the primary part, which will be the area, and that'll be good. Let me see. After you finish that, the older version is playable right now, actually, so it's not super good. It's playable unlike the other version, so it's good. All right. Either way, I'm still down to see it. What do you think I'll do to get 1,000? Probably nothing. I don't really know. I don't really like subscriber goals are weird. I would probably just post a video, but like a video that I worked on more than maybe the other ones potentially. I'd probably just put more effort into that video as a thank you, but I think doing subscriber like goal videos are kind of like whatever. I feel like no one really cares about them and they're like not super interesting. So I'd probably just put a lot more effort into a video, and I feel like that would be a great thank you, and also like you get the content that you want, because that's like why people subscribe. You get content that you like, and also I just worked on it better, so you'll just like it better hopefully. I think that's like the best I would do. I think it's the best thing you can do, unless people like really want to see you do something specific for some reason. So at that point, then like depends. But I don't think I'll get this game done by then, so I don't know. Alive 24 hours of programming? I guess I could try it. I'd probably do 12 hours, not 24. 24 sounds like pain. I also can't do 24. Not right now, I can't. But yeah, I don't think I can do 24 right now. I'd probably do 12 at most. Just because of my situation right now. I reckon this game will be released in 2025 late summer. This game will be released... Shut up. Games today? No, I have a lot of stuff to do. I have someone coming over, and then I have a video I'm editing, but there's like 17,000 hours of footage I have to edit through because the game I've recorded just takes a long time, so I have too much editing to do. And once I get through all that, someone wants to hang out too, so I'm not even gonna have time to edit the video today. I'm gonna have to edit part of it today, and then hopefully finish it later tonight. And then after that, I have to edit it tomorrow because it's definitely not gonna be done. I have a lot of stuff. I have a lot of editing to do. You're currently doing digital art vids, and they're your favorite because they're actually entertaining. That's cool. Everyone has their niches that they like. I'm glad you found yours. Hold on, normally I check people's channels. Alright. So, this should be good, and the animal container should be good. So, you get parent, primary part. Now, I kind of forgot what goes into here. Trading table. There's an interaction box. There's the animal container. And there's an ID. What's the ID for? I don't know. I don't remember. It's okay. We'll figure it out. Alright. Where? Oh, this isn't a part of it. That's why. So, replicated storage. We'll do buildables. We'll do interaction box as part of the layout. I think that's how it works. And then we go into shop modules. Then we add the play art into here. Probably do it at the beginning. Play art into kennel, into bathing table. That's good. He was kind of all over the place until he settled on the art vids. Alright. I'm gonna watch your videos probably later though, because that way I don't. And oh, I'm just saying I'm gonna watch them later because I'm letting you know I'm gonna watch them later. That's what I meant. Can I help you? Can you recommend me something that you will enter high school? Can you recommend me something you will rephrase your question and then I'll answer it. You're just gonna be uploading art vids and occasional game devs illustrator videos. Okay, that sounds good. That sounds pretty exciting, honestly. Play yard. Of course the why is the interaction box doing that? Oh, I know why the interaction box is doing that. It's because the stupid floor isn't area isn't anchored, right? That's it. Hold on. As soon as the player back into the workspace, let's do the area model. Why is it not? Player. I guess just anchor the whole thing. Action box. Okay, so everything should be anchored now. Let me throw this back into here. And I press play. Playered. Alright, cool. I'm gonna have to move it a bunch. Although it fits onto the 4 grid, so that's good. Jump items module. Let's do a 20 offset for it because I want it to line up with the mouse on the bottom left. Alright, so we did 20. 20 is okay. I'm gonna do probably 19 or 18. And we can do 18 on this side too. Oh, wrong way. Negative 18. The almost sad part. Can you recommend me something that can help me in high school? Oh, okay. Can I recommend you something that can help you in high school? That is a tough question. It's hard to say. I would try not to. There's not something that you can bring into school, which is the way I took the question initially. The best thing I could tell you to do is to try to explore your interest as much as you can in high school. So like try to do everything that you think would be cool. Like sports, try doing other cool things for the I'll say this, for the first 2 years of high school, try to find what you find entertaining and fun and focus on that. But also try to figure out what you like to do. And if you already know you like programming, then it's like easy for you. So like you already know you like programming. But try to like look into sports and stuff like that because I regret not liking volleyball sooner and playing volleyball in high school because I love volleyball now and I'll never be able to do that. So I'll never be able to play the high school team again because I'm not high school anymore. So, but I would recommend look for your interests, even if it's sports that you don't think you'll like. So like, if you know you're not gonna like football, don't play football. Volleyball is a really chill and fun sport, so I'd always recommend volleyball. But look for interests of yours, and then in the last 2 years, focus on your interests as much as you can. So if you know after the first 2 years that you still like programming, focus on programming as much as you can. If you know in the first 2 years of high school that you like video editing or you want to make YouTube videos, focus on making YouTube videos for the second half of your high school. If you know you just want to get to a really good college, do as good as you can throughout school, like stuff like that. Like the last 2 years should be to focus on what you like as much as you can because it's the last chance you'll have to really focus on what you like 100% dedicated time. Because after high school, you start college if you're forced to by your parents, and if you're forced to by your parents, then you're like forced to do college. If you're not forced to do college by your parents, you're still doing college because you still want to find a career in a certain path. So you're never really gonna be able to focus on your interest as much as you could in high school. So I would just say focus on figuring out what your interests are in high school and try to focus on them as much as you can because that's like the only time, the last chance you'll get to like fully focus on stuff that you enjoy. But also, you should try to focus on things that like are gonna be for career stuff in the future. So like programming is like the last 2 years, or like videos, like video editing or YouTube. Either way, you can still get a job in video editing, even if YouTube doesn't work out. That's kind of pretty much it. First 2 years should be used to like kind of find what you like. Also, just explore things. But also, if you know what you like, then just go for it. Anyways, I mean, I don't know. That's pretty much it. This is really crazy. The almost sad part was when I did premiere for sneak peek of your horror game. I was the only one watching, but I was excited that I didn't care. That's good. I mean, you have to expect that people aren't gonna watch. It's just kind of how it is. Your high school is going to absolutely suck because I'm gonna have to read a book a week, and I heard one was The Hobbit, which is a huge book. I don't think it's gonna be that bad, Huplexus. If it is, I'm sorry, but I don't think you're gonna have to read a book a week. I didn't have to read a book a week. I'm not sure where you would have to read a book a week, but that's kind of a lot to do, especially for like a huge book like that. So I don't know. Let me know. Let me know how it goes, though. I'm interested. All right. So I was working on the play yard thing. You had to read a book for a few weeks. Oof. I hate reading. I don't know why. It's so boring. Well, I like reading, but I don't like reading. It's kind of meh. Maybe? No, I need to do 16. That's what it was. And then the X needs to be 20. Oh, break. Okay, I gotta make the camera not do that. Do I plan to go anywhere? I'm not sure. Not really sure. That's kind of a general question that I don't have an answer to. Should I make it top? I don't know. I mean, that looks good for now. Maybe the player now. Build mode. It's a little high off the ground, so we'll fix that later. Interaction enabled. We hold E on it. The times index null if interact. Interacting object is primary. Items manager interact. Object.name is equal to interacting object.name. Object script is equal to nil. If object name is equal to kennel, then object script is equal to kennel script. If object name is equal to path script. Kennel module script. Oh, okay, right. Okay, local playard script is equal to require, and then we're gonna copy all of this, and then we're gonna do playard script. And then that's going to be somewhere in here. Play yard module script, and then I'm going to copy one of these into here. Because I kind of have to. Alright, let me read chat to log in a little bit. I don't know if I'm going anywhere. Well, the thing is, school is half home school, meaning that I go to school once a week. On that day, they tell you what to do at home for the rest of the week. Oh, that's kind of weird. That's kind of weird. You only read when you're bored. I mean, yeah, that's fair. Reading books is like fun, but like finding a book you like is kind of hard, I feel like. Also, especially since we have YouTube now, that's like so mainstream, it's so hard to get into a book because you're just like, oh, I want to watch YouTube videos or something. I don't know. The next school year, you have to read an entire book in a week. That sucks. Every week. That really sucks. What's up, Izan guy? Izanagi? The audio is bugged. Is it? Why is it bugged? Wait, hold on. You can hear that. I forgot that you guys can hear that. Wait, what do you mean the audio is bugged? Is it me? Is it you? Is anyone having issues with audio? Is it just I don't know. It works now? Okay, it might have been just you. I don't know. I want not so lo-fi music right now. I've been listening to lo-fi for like way too long. Okay, music. I have a playlist. I'm gonna put my playlist on real quick. I'm gonna put my playlist, and then everyone's gonna be happy because the only problem with my playlist is that the audio's volumes mix a lot, so it's not really consistent. Okay, that should be good. I'm gonna put it up, and then I'm gonna put it down on my end. Alright, that should be good. That should be good. Turn that off. We bring this back up. We give the chat back up. Okay. Finding a book is the worst. Yeah, it really is. No audio issues. Audio's fine. We're good. Okay, cool. Thank you. Breakfast time. It'll be back soon. Sounds good. Dude, yeah, it's breakfast time for me too. I'm hungry. Okay, so we're working on a... What's that? Okay, we're working on the play yard module. Play yard module. And then we're going to copy this and paste it here. And paste it here. And paste it here. And paste it here. Okay. So the way that my modules work is that I have 3 functions that are required, which is get interaction options, interact secondary, and interact. Those are my main requirements for everything. So, oh my god, I'm sorry, I don't know what's going on. Okay, so let's see. Location, animal location, put the kennel location. What I want to do is have, dude, this music is so loud. What I want to do is have the animal walk to the player's location whenever, or next to them, kind of. Or they just walk into a random location inside of the kennel. We could do that. They're not in the kennel. No. What the frick am I talking about? Wait, oh. Frick, hold on. I was changing the kennel module. That was bad. Hey, was it? I was? Am I? I think I am. I don't know what's going on. Player is where I want it to be. Wait, am I in there? I'm so lost. Okay, this one's the kennel. This one's the play yard. Let's change this. Play yard script. Okay, let's do this. Hey, princess! The princess, what's up? Having a good day so far? Question mark. I haven't seen you in forever. I'm done saying that. I'm done. I've said it too many times today. Someone joined the Discord? Was that you? My Discord's closed right now, so I don't even know. Drag that over. Let's freaking go. Someone join, dude. Livestream gaming. Like how his name is his Gmail. That's pretty awesome. Akak020928. Thank you for joining the Discord. Amazing. Okay, what was I doing here? You getting confident to draw something? Don't know how you feel though, it's scary. Is it like good, scary in a good way, like you tried making it scary? I've also been dealing with a lot of motivation issues the last week, so I'm glad to hear that you got some confidence to draw. That's really awesome. I was having a lot of issues with like wanting to edit and stuff like that, but I'm good now. Like you don't want to program? No, programming's chill. I was like struggling with YouTube stuff. Like I was like, oh, I gotta edit tomorrow, and then tomorrow would happen. I'm like, I don't want to edit, dude. This is not it. But I'm good now. It was just a lot of there was like 17 different things that were like going on, I think, and so now I'm like chilling again. Although a part of it was like comparison, so I'm like comparing myself too much to other people. But there was also other stuff that was like just bothering me in real life. That was like, okay, this is just frustrating. It was a mix of a couple different things. Okay, player script. It's good. Channel model dot animal location. What does that mean? Oh, we have the channel model here. You just started trading, and then this strange figure popped up in my head, and I just drew it, like how it came out. That's good. I'm glad you liked it at least, maybe. It's a 50-50. Channel model, animal location, animal, place animal location. Was the animal location? I thought that was a physical location. You're back with the fattest bowl of cereal anyone has ever seen. Dude, I love cereal. Cereal's like actually the best thing ever. The best invention. Okay, hold animal controller. Animal scripts, animal controller. Place animal. If not his animal, then return. If it's not aiming, animal the parent, find for child, animal the parent. Bold dot position is equal to animal location dot position. So animal location is a physical. Oh wait, no, I could pass through that. I forgot. And then I just haven't walked through to a certain random point on there. So I'm glad I made that a placeable thing. So we're gonna pass through the player model. We're gonna just copy paste this. Animal location is equal to player animal location. The only thing is that's not true. So what's gonna happen here is this is not it. And then we're gonna do local shop items is equal to require game dot starter player script dot info. Where is it? What's up, Lolo? Wait, EU, is this like your friend? How long have you been a game developer? On and off for many years. For Roblox, it's been 4 weeks, 3.5 weeks. Been a month, maybe. Maybe a month for Lua now. I think we're like close to 3 weeks. Tycoon looking good so far. The Tycoon is getting there. Yes. I don't know if you're being serious or not, so I should have. Why is my phone blowing up today? Come on. For Roblox, it's been 7 years for you? Dang. That's a long time. You've been playing Roblox for 7 years, or you've been like game dev for 7 years? And have you been programming for 7 years, or you've just been like putting like things down? Kind of, I don't know. What was my first? It was Unity. And I did a lot of fun stuff with Unity, but I never made a game. I just kind of did cool stuff with it. That was like my issue. But I did learn a lot from it. And I'm learning a lot from this. Specifically how annoying it is to make a game. Unity was like fun. Because I'd be like yeah, I would have to like write everything. But I was also like, oh, this is cool because I got this working. But Roblox is like you have a lot of base stuff done, so you're just like adding new features constantly, and I'm like, oh. Also, it's just a large game that I'm working on by myself, to be fair. Lolo, I'm working on the play yard right now, so I'm gonna have a play yard for the animals to like walk around in and have fun in. You sent a picture in Discord? Ooh. EU. So I just said to use your friend because you have Lolo and his name is EU, so it's like kind of like reflects the same. It's kind of funny. Creepy pasta. Dude, that looks pretty creepy. That looks like some creepy pasta thing, the princess. Kind of concerned and confused. I feel like that's what creepy pastas are for, so it's kind of like fits my description. Only 2 years ago I started actually really scripting things. Okay. Alongside MIT's app. Dude, it either this is like EU's second account or this is actually his friend. I can't tell. These guys are trolling me. We're working on the play yard for the animals to be able to walk around and like have fun and type of stuff. That's the plan right now. If you're actually not just EU's second account, but if you are, I don't know. I'll have to move on. Okay. Anyways. Let's do where was that? In here somewhere for where's the I don't know where it was at. It was I guess I'll just pull it up over here. Player scripts. Channel no, it was example module script. Oh dude, I forgot I had this. That'd have been so much better. Wait, did I delete the thing? Oh, I don't think I deleted it. Why would I delete it? No way, I made the script entirely in the play mode, so it's just deleted now. No way. I do that so much. I do that way too much. I do that so much. I hate that. That's so annoying. I don't even know what items manager is. I kind of forgot already. Oh, yeah, I remember now. Wait, that's so frustrating, actually, though. Play yard. I'm gonna take off this script part. I'll leave it in there, whatever. Play yard. We're gonna do this not in play mode now, so everything gets saved. This will be example module script. Will get pasted back into here. This one gets switched to play yard. And then the play yard script will actually contain some kennel script. Okay. Actually, the fun thing is that 2 years ago. Okay, I saw that already. Did I? Oh no. Actually, the fun thing is that 2 years ago, the first game was Box Hider, and that is the game you're working on today. Oh, okay. A revisit. Except the difference now, it's actually scary. I sent the link to your YouTube channel to my friend. Okay. I think. I don't see any Discord links. Your pencil snapped 5 times and had to sharpen it so much. Your pointing finger was covered in a layer of lead. I know people like draw with like literally lead on their finger. Not like a lead, but like they have like a layer of lead and that's how they shade. How they shade their stuff. Okay, model. The animal location does not exist in this case. We're doing. Oh, the animal controller. Local. I'm gonna copy it. We'll take this. Put it there. This will just be model. Animal location will actually be something else. So, shop item info. Or shop info, I guess. Game require, I guess. Require, we're gonna copy this, throw it in here. The thing for you is that whenever you cut a script to paste it somewhere else in Roblox bugs out and removes the copy script. Yeah, it's kind of annoying. Roblox does be kind of a little weird. You prefer micron pens because you hate the sound pencils make? What? I've never heard that. Do you plan on learning any other Roblox studio skills besides scripting? Zanagi, yes, but not right now. I want just the game to work. I'm just trying to get everything, like, in the future. I'm not trying to make everything look good yet. I'm just trying to make everything good, like, work. Any in mind? Definitely the effects. What is it? I don't know what the effects are called. The visual effects, for sure. Yeah, VFX. Definitely gotta learn the visual effects stuff. And then, what else? Lighting I want to do a little bit of because I want to do stuff. I also am thinking about a rendering system. I want things to look cartoonish maybe, but I probably will just do that separately somehow. You should learn scripting better before doing other stuff. Scripting is really important, yeah. Modeling. Well, no, there's actually like a rendering system, rendering pipeline, but I don't know if Roblox has one. Modeling isn't gonna happen unless I like absolutely need to. Your hands aren't shaking as much now, but the drawing is still a bit rough. That's alright. I mean, your hands shaking is like the more concerning thing. And that's good. Roblox not that deep in it. Yeah, I wouldn't think so. What's up, dude? I don't know how to pronounce your name. I don't know what language exactly it is. It doesn't look Japanese. It looks somewhere else. That looks like something else, but I'll say hi because I wish. Let me know how to pronounce your name in English characters, if you can. Animal location goes. This is gonna be the random location inside of shop info. So shop info dot get from no. Oh. Okay, so this will be not animal scripts. It'll be shop. Yeah, starter player scripts. Dot shop item scripts. Dot shop items module. Shop info dot get position on square. This will be from the model. Pass through the model on that, I think. Shop items module. Pass through that. It's gonna be a part. It's gonna be actually a part of. This is actually gonna be a model. Part is equal to model dot primary part. And then we're going to rename part to model. And we're going to call local part China. It's Chinese. I realize how much stuff I'm doing right now. I'm eating, watching you script, and flipping my Bali song. I don't know what a Bala song is. This is your name, translate into English. Sunali. Oh, that's pretty sick. I like that. Well, what's up, Sunali? How's your day been? Are you also a Roblox programmer / interested in just Roblox in general stuff? Epic name. Dude, that's what I'm thinking. I wish that was my name. The improper name is called Butterfly Knife? A butterfly knife? Oh, okay. I know what that is. You script and hop on Phantom Forces. Yes. Alright, perfect. Yeah, you play Phantom Forces, that's funny. Alright, so we've got a lot of Roblox enjoyers in here, and programmers. And then we have the Princess, which makes really crazy BeamNG cars mods, which is like very shocking to me. Because that one like takes a lot of skill, not gonna lie. To be fair, everything takes skill, but it's not like one thing, but I think it's that one's really impressive to me for some reason. The music's kind of quiet now. Okay, so we're inside of shop items. We're gonna send through position on the square, so then the animal gets placed over there, and then inside of the model, I think the animal controller places the parent as animal container, which should be one of these animal container here. Should be the folder. you have to admit you've been slacking lately. It is what it is. It is. It's on Nike. As long as you don't spend too long taking a break, you know. Like, you gotta give yourself a week or two sometimes, just to relax. Based. You do it all the time. You all enjoy horror games or movies? I don't enjoy horror movies. I find them boring. But I do like horror games every once in a while. Although I don't play them, I like watching them more personally. Does anyone else thinks ghosts exist? I don't know. I don't think ghosts exist. I like watching horror games more. It's more entertaining like watching Jacksepticeye or something. I don't really like play them. I think it's just the experience of watching someone else is more fun to me for that. In that case. Your friend always hates it when I play horror games. Do you stream it or something? Sorry. My throat's dying. I have water. That'll be better. Do that. Oh, good water. It is water. It's not soda, I promise. It's the seltzer water. Place animal, blah, blah, blah. Animal walks to a position that is set by this. And it is a position, correct? So if I do this is vector 3. No issues? Okay, cool. Layered module script is right here. Is it water with frizziness in it? Yeah, it's what's it called? Oh dude, what is it called again? I forgot. It's the you know when a TV's like shake or like it's like the black and white, and then there's like the very like sound effect where it's like shh, whatever. I don't know what it is. I kind of forgot, but it's that one. That's what someone like best described it as. But this is water with fizziness in it, and it's delicious. Although this one's not as good. I thought. So there's like a cucumber tea I liked from Publix a while ago, which you guys probably don't know what Publix is, but it's cucumber and mint in this one, and this one's like not my favorite. Yeah, static. It's static water. People used to think you were a ghost because you dress in white and have very pale skin. That would be probably concerning. That's like the classic ghosts in horror movies, so that kind of makes sense actually. Publix, you in Florida? There's Publixes up to North Carolina, I think. So it's not just Florida, but yeah, I'm Florida. You only like fizzy water if you want to feel patient. If you feel patient. You play a job at Publix actually? Oh, I worked at Publix for like a year, and then I was close to becoming a deli. Like the people that make the subs and stuff like that. I was gonna be the assistant manager, and then I was like, I'm not working in Publix the rest of my life. This place sucks. It felt horrible. Did you evacuate? No, I'm a lot more south. I'm like gonna feel the side effects of like the rain and stuff, but I'm probably not gonna feel anything from the hurricane really. You're in Georgia, so Publix is everywhere. Yeah, I think they're everywhere up until North Carolina. I think that's where it stops right now. Alright, so held animal controller. That should be good. You love the taste of TV static. What's your favorite TV static flavor, guys? Any favorites? Any fan favorites? Does chat have a preference for TV? I should have said static instead of TV. That one makes sense. Oh well. Any fan favorites of static water? Mine is... There's this one that's like mint, and it's like a mojito flavored. They sell it at Target and Walmart, I think. But green and blue LG TV. It's like a mojito one. There's no alcohol in it, but it doesn't need alcohol. It just tastes really good. I don't know. Alcohol doesn't even taste good. I don't know. It doesn't matter. But the mojito flavored one, that was delicious. It's like very bitter, but also like very limey, zesty. I don't know how to explain it. I don't think I can explain it. It's just, you gotta try it. You gotta try it. The best one. Although if you don't like seltzer water, you probably won't like that. If you drink sparkling water and they have pins and needles, are you officially feeling like you're a TV static? Why would you drink pins and needles with your water? Your face always curls. It's normal. It's not for everybody. Okay. The player is gonna place the animal, secondary attack, whatever. I don't care. Let's see if the random position on here works. At least that would be very useful. So let me grab the animal. It's in my position now. Although it started moving when I did that, so I don't know. Personally, don't like sparkling water. That's fine. That's normal. Alright, let's grab the animal before it starts moving, and we'll place the yard. And we're gonna place the yard somewhere over here. Then we're gonna walk into the yard, and we're gonna hold E to interact. Hold on. Interaction box was selected. No, this isn't right. Hold on. Something's breaking. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. So when you walk into it, it's supposed to like enable interaction, but it's not doing it this time. It worked last time. What happened? What changed? Build mode, play yard. What changed, game? Changed. Yeah, I'm not getting an interaction starting script now. This is weird. That's not right. Starter player manager. Game replicate storage that interactable event connect function. User input manager. I don't think I'm supposed to even do anything in here. I already did everything I needed to. Enable interaction right here. Never mind. Okay, so whenever I place an object in the build mode mouse controller, there's supposed to be something that gets added to it, to the objects. Supposed to connect. Alright, so whenever you purchase something, it's going to add a connection script to the interaction box right here. So interaction box is equal to add interaction box. So let me make sure this is named properly again. The buildables, play yard, interaction box. Make sure this is the right name. That looks good. I was confused why studio crashed until I realized. Wait, hold on. Oh, dude, I just missed so much chat. Like, first they don't like sparkling water. Yeah. Wait a minute. There's two of you. There's only one of me. I'm confused. You're confused why studio crashed until you realize not add a cooldown for loops. You dumbo. It's normal mistakes. Normal mistake. Got to go to work. Take care. Bye, Zanagi. Have fun at work. I'm gonna be over here programming and having. No. I'm sorry. Have fun at work. Enjoy as much as you can. You know, I should make a game while being on a stream. That would be cool. That's what Fake Red does. He works on programming while he's in here because it's very efficient system. You're on break right now, so don't have to do school. Nice. Did anyone get affected by Roblox crashes today? I was not doing anything Roblox related yesterday. So no. Didn't know if that does the same thing to studio or not. You love living in the UK, cold weather, and interesting themes. Dude, that sounds awesome. I want to live somewhere over there, or at least visit one time, because the fact that you can just walk to places sounds so cool. I'm so tired of having to drive 20-30 minutes every single time I want to go anywhere. It's so frustrating. It keeps you sane, the stream, I'm assuming. I am a Fake Red's assistant, but mostly like mental health assistant. I give him like a dopamine every hour. A single. I don't even know how like dopamine works in your brain, so I don't know how to word it properly. Do you have a Windows computer? Yes, I do. And it's activated, so you can't even tell that it's Windows on the bottom right. Although this is You can very much tell once you look at the background and everything. It's just basic Windows stuff. Also, if anyone knows this character person, this artist, I will congratulate you. And also, serotonin is the happy stuff in your brain. Oh, okay. I donate him serotonin every once in a while for his mental health. That's what it is. If anyone knows where this is from, I will, I don't know. I'll answer any question. I don't know if that's true. I've got a Mac Mini and it isn't too bad. Just wish it had Windows. Yeah, Windows is a lot easier to program stuff with because it can basically do anything for any programming stuff. Also, the Mac interaction with keyboard and stuff is very weird. I don't really like it. Anyways, my next step into my long journey is to get this player to work because it's not working for some reason. Interaction's not getting enabled. That is weird. It's weird, chat. It's very weird. I have VS Code, but I prefer Visual Studio. Visual Studio is a lot nicer. You have Asus touchscreen laptop. It's unique to say the least. Yeah, touchscreens was like cool when I was like in middle school, high school. I was like, oh, that's so awesome. But like, I don't think I want a touchscreen anymore. It's just like whatever. Okay, so why is this still not working? Got the interaction box. The script is kind of useless now. Build my mouse controller. Let's do print player walked in box. Okay, let me put the player down. And we go here, and we go player walked in box. Perfect. So we know at least it's working there. And then game.replicated storage dot interactable event fire interaction box dot parent. We're gonna pass through this to the interactable event, which I don't know who exactly takes from there, but I would assume the interaction system I made somewhere around here. Roblox character sounds? I don't know what that is. Player script loader. Fires and instantiates the player's module singleton. Okay, well, I've never seen this before. Player inputs. Wait, that's getting set from player manager, I think. So yeah, interactable event, whatever, connected, print, interaction enabled. So if interaction enabled, then return. Nixel interaction. MacBook is only good for video editing. MacBook only good in video editing. I don't really like I don't think that's true. I think it's good for video editing. I don't think it's the only thing that's good for though. Well, I don't think it's better for it anyways. I think it's just depends on what you have. You meant Visual Studio, sorry? Yeah, I do have Visual Studio. Visual Studio is nice. The bugs yesterday were because Roblox bugging and not you. So that's good. Yeah, I mean, every computer is useful for their own things, to be fair. So it is what it is. Play yard. Let's do this. Just go here, jump in. So that's good. Is it not like firing? I'm confused. So interactable events still exist, and then the textures and animations were loading, and now they are. Oh, okay, cool. That makes a lot of sense. That would, you know, I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. We're gonna move on. So, I blame Blox Fruits and Brockhaven for taking up the servers. I guess I don't really know. Are those games like actually that big? I've never even like seen them or heard of them. To be fair. Okay, interaction enabled. Then cancel interaction. But interactable event. But why is it not? So the player's walking in the box in the mouse controller. So is it having issues firing? Yeah, maybe. Potentially. 500,000 concurrent all the time. That is crazy. A lot of people. All right, those are definitely popular games. Wait, none of these are working now. This is kind of weird. I swear they were working before. Player inputs, player manager, player module, example module, items manager. Is items manager crashing? I'm confused. If object name is equal to player. Player script. Weird. So none of my things are firing the event. So we're getting this. So the player's walking in the box, but the event is not getting fired. Which would be player manager again. Let's just do this. Apply to change, playtest, opens on the player scripts, build mouse, whatever. Okay, back to build mode. Player walking box. We're not getting any interactions. That is a little weird. That's a little weird. That makes it working. Oh. Hey. So my mic is just constantly being weird also. That's okay. Change it back to normal. I think this is good. Alright, there we go. Now we should be good. I don't know what's going on. I'm still confused as to why the event is not being fired either. That is kind of odd. But this music's banger, so I don't really care. That's not true. I do care. Interaction enabled. That doesn't matter. I'm printing this, but it's not getting printed when I fire it. Interactable event fire. It was working before, I swear. Yeah, it's So we're in area, but we're not firing this. I guess it's time to switch it up because I don't know what's going on. Roblox event Fire is not working. What's up, long, low NG? I don't know exactly which way you want to pronounce it, but I'm having an issue right now with some firing stuff, so we're gonna see. Think it sometimes works cause all of the require and wait for childs. They're probably delaying the event creation. Could be why it sometimes works and sometimes it doesn't. Try putting the event at the top of the script and see how likely it is to work. Long. Oh, what's up, Long? I'm just dealing with a small issue right now, and also my nose is like crazy stuffed. I can't believe it. I feel like I sound super nasally right now. I'm sorry. Is my apologies? I cannot change it. Wait, what even? Like, it was working earlier. You just got done being sick? No, that's fine. Yeah, I mean, it's like weird because it's like just something that happens every other morning. Your friend recommended your channel. Don't tell me it was you. Don't tell me it was you. I will die if you say it was EU. I don't know if you know him by his YouTube name, but that's his YouTube name. It's hilarious. Or I guess it's on his Discord too, isn't it? The cutscene work? Let's go. Long, if you told me it was EU though, I would literally like die laughing. This is actually so stupid. Whatever. So this isn't working. Specifically, this line of code isn't working. If I print something after it, will that still work? Okay, let's do that. Let's do this. And so it's printing still. Who is EU? Oh, okay, never mind. No, it's just someone that watches the streams. But I think he literally just had one of his friends joined, but it was like, it was just like, it's more of like an inside thingy. It was just someone else that joined that watches the streams. It's nothing crazy. Although you kind of joined at a weird time because I've got a weird issue right now, and not exactly sure what is going on here. We're gonna pass through this and then pass through interaction. Wait, event connect. Yeah, it's an event. So we're firing and then event connect should be doing stuff, but it's not doing anything. Function, object, interaction. We're not getting that interaction print though. Also, where are these coming from? Okay, let's delete that. Let's get as few prints as we can. Okay, we're good there. Where's True from? What's up, EU? Long hi. That's EU, by the way. If you actually don't know who he is, he's right there. In edit mode, that's okay. What's up, Silver Soul? Report to my Twitch. What do you mean? Report to my Twitch. Okay, well. You've spammed a little too much. How do I let's do that, I guess. Spam? Why? No one. Because it's annoying. That's why people do care, so don't care. I don't care about this guy. We're good. Alright, anyways, why is this still not working? That's my bigger issue. Break. Okay, so play. Let's spawn in this thingy again. Let's build. Let's go here. And we're walking in the box. But it's not firing. You. Ha ha ha. Interesting. I genuinely don't know. I genuinely don't know. This is so stupid. Because after we walk in the box thing, or even before it should be showing that we're interacting. You know what? I'm gonna reload the launcher. Maybe that could be something. I don't think so, but I'm gonna just hope. That's why. Ignore. This one? Okay, so let's try it again. No. Dude, there's gotta be something that changed, right? Because we're definitely getting to this line of code. Like, we're definitely getting to this line of code. This is, like, not even a question. We're getting here. But this isn't working. So this interactable event. What's up, Zuziwa? Zuziwa? Is that line printing? Yeah, so player walked in box is printing right here. But this isn't. Like, as soon as we call this event for fire, it goes right here and replicate event connect, and it connects to a function, and it instantly prints out interaction, and that's it. Like, we should at least be getting this printed line for my best knowledge. So I don't know why we're not getting that. I could, your friend recommended you to join. This has got to be. This is getting a little weird. Event. Yes, Faker, I'm having an issue. It's another binable event. It's been replicated, and let's just name it. Maybe that one was just broken. I'm having a small issue right now, Red. A bigger issue than I thought it was, actually. Alright, Red. So, if you don't mind looking for a minute. So fire... So, right here, whenever we touch an interaction box, which is just a box that's called interaction box, which is just this green box on the outside of one of these thingies. So, like, one of these. Ew, are you, like, just bringing all of your spam accounts into here or something? I don't really know what's going on. But yeah, so if I walk into it, you see I get this player walked in box text right here. This comes after we connect with it. You have no idea he's... Frick! Frick! I literally, it was working earlier today. I don't know what happened. Binable event is just like a local script to local script. type of thing. You don't have many experiences with events either. The problem is that this was working like an hour ago. Forgot about the player parameter? No, this is local to local. So this doesn't even need a player parameter. Let me not pass through anything and see how that goes. No, it's being weird. That's so odd. Ah. Like, it was working earlier, right? Like, I know for a fact because I was trying it out earlier. I'm gonna look for it on the stream. Let me bring this over. So in the stream, if I put the mute on there, and gosh, this quality is so dog water. Okay. So right here. The animal script had an interaction box, whatever. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Hurry up, bro. Hurry up. Get to the good part. Stop reading chat, bro. Start programming. Come on. Please. Please. Here. I had this issue. No, it was before this, I think. Wait a second. Oh, wait a second. Hold on. Wait. No, because it's still function. Ugh. Does the print actually get reached? Yeah, it should get reached. I sent the link to your YouTube channel to Facebook, my Facebook group. You sent a link to your Facebook group? Why? That's weird. Wait, does this print actually get reached? It should. Wait, hold on. Wait. I have a. I got it working at some point over here. Whenever I decided to stop reading chat, because I read chat for like 30 years, apparently. Is there anything that I could have like done weird? I swear I tested it out. So I walk into it and nothing happened. Yep, like normal. Okay. So I'm on like a 5-year journey on trying to add it as a part. At some point I realized the interaction box wasn't in there. Okay, so I put the interaction box in there. Then I should have tested it out right here. Okay, I didn't place it. What am I doing? Why didn't I place it? Break. This guy sucks at programming, dude. What is he doing? I know I tested it at one point, and I know I saw it. I just don't know when. Was it here? I think I was just there. I don't know, man. Hold on, let me just we're not gonna look through the stream again. That guy's useless. Okay, let me look at it to my friend that like coding in Roblox Studio. Oh, okay, that makes sense. 30 years? That's insane. 30 years for where? I don't know what you're talking about 30 years. Maybe I said something while I was looking through that. Whatever. I forgot already. Okay, so this is the interactable event. So on its event connection, whenever it gets fired, it interacts. It throws the interacting button. You know, I could just redo this maybe. I'll just do this also. Keep it simple. Connect, and we're just gonna print interaction. Instead of been reading chat for 30 years. Yeah, I think I was. That's what it was. I wasn't programming for like 20 minutes, dude. I don't know what was happening with me. I was reading chat before it existed. Okay, anyways, let's try this. Yeah, I speak a second language. I can speak Spanish, but I don't really like talking Spanish. Not gonna lie. And so I'm here. Player gets printed. So player. Why am I saying that? Player walks in the box gets reached right here, and this line before it is this fire script, right? So this fire script should be calling one of these guys over here. Should be calling both of them technically. Try with the kennel. That guy is like, this guy's more consistent. Kennel, whatever. Replace object.name. I don't care about that. All right, that's so yeah, that's very weird. Let's see. You can speak Cambodia. That's pretty sick. It's very foreign to me. Very foreign. Interactable event. This doesn't work. Still doesn't work. It's archivable. I don't care. Okay, interactable event, connect here, whatever. It was working earlier. I don't know what's going on. Oh, you know what? It worked. Hold on, I think I know when I tested it. Might have been here. So here. No, it didn't work there. What could I have changed? Did it do it here? No. That's when it broke. Oh, wait. It did work here, though. It did work here because I got an error. So it was working. So yeah, right here, at the bottom left, you can see interaction got enabled down there. It got enabled. So, I mean, maybe it's just not getting loaded. You can speak Chinese and Cambodian. Sick. Trilingual. Okay, so something in here might be breaking it. Something that's loading the player yard, or something that's in the input manager. So user input manager. Wait, why do I have the interaction? Oh, this is interaction. This is interactable. Okay, different. Okay, so I might be having issues with user input manager, but I didn't change that, so I mean we could check, but I don't think I did. Yeah, I definitely didn't. Or the object interactions, which could be causing a crash on this side, which that one seems more plausible. So starter player, where would object interactions be at? Player scripts, user input manager. No. Shop item scripts, items manager. So this one might be crashing. Oh, look at that. I misspelled something. Heck yeah. Oh, I love that. I love that. Alright. Should be good now. That's some debugging. Let's freaking go. It works. No, I'm so bad. That's the one thing I don't like about Roblox is it doesn't tell you when a script crashes. It just kind of like hopes that you know something's wrong. But it kind of sucks. But yeah, at least there's some debugging.
I'm gonna finish this magic game and help taking that wheelbarrow somewhere. Right away.
Okay. Why am I recording now? Where's my computer? My computer decides to record random times. Also, let me I'm gonna leave soon, but I want to know your guys' opinions on weird chatters like this. Report to my Twitch. Obviously, this guy's just trying to get views, but he's like, so obviously this guy doesn't watch my videos or anything. So personally, I don't care about this guy, but he's just saying no one cares about my channel, and I'm like, okay, cool, whatever. What is your guys' opinions on what is it? Who is that? It's just some rando. It literally just joined, spammed to look at his Twitch account, but nothing's linked to his YouTube account, so I don't know. But what's your opinion on hate comments or like something that's like people that how do I describe it? Well, what my question is, do you guys do people here get demotivated when they see that? Like if someone were like, let's say you were like, let's say someone joined your game and it was like, this game kind of sucks. Like, how would you feel about that? Like, you guys like, do you guys care about it, or do you guys just like whatever? I don't care. This guy's just a random person that doesn't mean anything. You wouldn't care? Anyone else? Anyone else have an opinion? The whole point of this was, I was just gonna say that I'm like my biggest critic, so you would care a little bit. See, that's what I would expect, because I care like 0.1%. But the only reason I care is because I'm definitely my biggest critic, and I hate my content more than someone else could definitely hate my content. I know that for a fact. Yeah, don't let someone choose your destiny, basically. But yeah, basically, I'm my biggest hater, so this guy saying something does not matter. It's more just about, I've said like 10,000 times worse things to myself than someone else could probably say anything, so it doesn't really matter. But I just thought it was funny, and I also wanted to see what you guys' opinions were. But yeah, so stuff like that doesn't impact me, mostly because it's just like other things are more important. Also, streams aren't for views anyway, so it's like, it doesn't really matter. Also, he's self-promoting is like, oh, channel. Hold on. Hold on. He's self-promoting his own channel, which is like even worse because like obviously it means even less at that point, but it's really funny. He actually does have a Twitch. Bro gets here. Bro gets 1 view. Hold on. Bro literally gets like 1 view. Hold on, where is it? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, right here. I mean, he gets a bit of views actually. Actually, he does get kind of a couple views, but at the same time, recent uploads. Never mind. I lied. Those are different. Okay, never mind. This guy does not get anything. But yeah. Bro gets 1 viewer on Twitch. True. I lied, he lied. Cause he has 1 views. Okay, so 6 to 10 days ago. To be fair though. I wonder if this guy actually gets views. I'm gonna watch this. I'm gonna pull up the stream on the side. Okay, no, he does get like 1 view. He's like in the same position I am, but also I get more views than him. True. He just seems like annoying. That's pretty much it. Although I went to the stream and he has no streamer like he doesn't look like he's trying to do anything. Also, we're gonna move on for that because I don't really care anymore. But I just thought it was funny to talk about for a second. Mostly because he came over here and self-promoted some garbage streams of his. But I have to leave soon because my brother needs help with something. And he needs me to leave, so we're gonna be doing that. Bro, you're famous. Check your text. What's your text? I've been getting a lot of texts recently. People ask why I got fired from Beast. I worked with someone, shared their perspective. Like, yeah, and on Nixel for editing. If you want to learn more about the work environment at Mr. Beast, here is an Nixel experience. Oh, cool. Oreo, you better stop, bro. You better stop. We're not doing this anymore. Hey, no. No biting. We gotta get you out of that habit. No biting. You go to sleep now? That's perfect timing, you. It's perfect timing. You're famous, bro? I guess so. Dude, Oreo's actually annoying. Alright. Well, I guess I might just end the stream here. I figured out I debugged my stupid issue. And the player is close to getting ready to be working. And that's pretty much it. Annoying in a good way. Annoying in a I taught him bad manners, so I need to unteach him the bad manners, like biting. Because I used to, I play with him and I want him to bite every once in a while, and to play, but I don't want him to just bite me randomly, and so I have to get him out of the habit of biting. So it's annoying because I caused it. It's not his fault. Although him getting zoomies and just running around everywhere just is annoying. Every day, it's a little too much. But yeah. But it's annoying in a good way because I'm sure if I didn't have Oreo, I'd probably be sad. Be a lot more lonely. 10:14 p.m. 10:14 p.m. Or EU. Thank you for promoting my stream in your Facebook group. All right, thanks everyone for being here. Hope Elixirs. Are you in the Discord? If you're not in Discord, you should probably join a Discord. I'm gonna send an invite. Here's the Discord if you guys want to join and find out when the next stream is, if you guys are new. That's pretty much it though. Bye everybody. Hope you guys made some progress with your stuff and have a good time. And oh my gosh, you pronounced my name correctly. You're welcome. I try to pronounce everyone's names correctly. I try my best. Wait, that means I'm goated. I'm top 1% of name pronunciations. Let's go. All right. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Have a good rest of your nights, I guess.